Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to buy NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. Are you a basketball fan looking to catch all the NBA action? Well, you're in luck. YouTube TV makes it incredibly easy to add NBA League Pass to your subscription. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can start watching your favorite teams and players right away. Before we get started, if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more useful tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right into it. Here's how to buy NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. Screen recording starts. Step 1. Access YouTube TV. First, open the YouTube TV app on your device, whether it's your smart TV, phone, tablet, or computer. You can also access it through the YouTube TV website in your browser. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the YouTube TV app, look for your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. Step 3. Find Membership or Billing. Within the Settings menu, you'll need to find the section related to your subscription or billing. Look for options like Membership, Billing, or Subscription. Click on that. Step 4. Explore Add-ons. In the Membership or Billing section, you should see a list of available add-ons for your YouTube TV subscription. Scroll through the list until you find NBA League Pass. Step 5. Select NBA League Pass. Once you've located NBA League Pass, click on it. You'll likely see a description of what's included with the subscription, the price, and any current promotional offers. Step 6. Confirm your purchase. Review the details of the NBA League Pass and the associated costs. If you're happy with everything, click the Subscribe or Get NBA League Pass button. You may be prompted to confirm your payment method. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. Step 7. Start watching. That's it. Once the purchase is confirmed, NBA League Pass will be added to your YouTube TV subscription. You can now start watching NBA games live and on demand. Look for the NBA content within the YouTube TV app or website. It's usually listed under Sports, or you can search for specific teams and games. Screen recording ends. And that's all there is to it. Buying NBA League Pass on YouTube TV is a straightforward process. Now you can enjoy all the NBA games you want, right at your fingertips. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.